What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Viewers and subscribers, attacking boss there. And you see to the people, you see the artists that I talk about, and the artists that I go talk about for the first time, because I talk about the artists already. I review song for the artists already. And people, why I keep on doing it? Because this artist is so talented. This artist style is so different. And I talk about the artist name, Sikario, people. When I say the artist name, Sikario, because the artist here go so hard. The artist here tear down the place now, people. And the man go drop a banger song, people, with a banger video right now. And I tell the people, John no star. But me even not talk too much to no people because I want to know so what I talk about. First of all, the title of this track name is people is CH0SEN. You understand? From the artist Sikario with this epic music video. So me just go play a piece side people because NEWLINK no do. Me no want to play too much people because the artist have it on him Vivo channel. So I just play a piece side people. Then me come back and talk about the artist so I get to understand more about the artist. Check out this people. Check it out now.
Girl, I say Sikario, see like a Ria. Me get gal everywhere me go. She love me style, she love me flow. She no love me cause me money enough. She fall in love cause me fuck her good. Girl, I say Sikario, see like a Ria. Me get gal everywhere.
Well, viewers and subscribers, you see when NEWLINK talk about, you know, see it for yourself, right? Well, people, as me I tell you, this title of this track name CH0SEN, and you just say, yo, why Sikario get this? And I just see the girl and me man, why I say CH0SEN? Well, people, basically in this thing, the man I tell about the girls them say him are the chosen one, because if 10 girls there's a people and 10 man over here, so including Sikario, him a go be the chosen one for them 10 girls here, and the man a go make you know say, oh, him a go deal with them girl. Well, people, in this video, me I tell you say it's like a movie thing, people. It's like you watch a play thing, people, because the man them acting scene in the video play out everything with every word of the song. And me I tell the people, you see the artist style is so unique. You see the artist style is so different. And me can tell you this people, you see this artist, governor rate the artist, governor link the artist. And you see from governor link the artist, me not have to say no more about the artist, because Sikario people, me I tell you, all you need for the viewers and subscribers is just come so boom and go over the Man Vivo channel. Me I tell you people, you don't need to miss it. Go over the Man Vivo channel, subscribe to the Vivo channel, because the link will be in the description, people. I want to watch the full video when NEWLINK talk about, and make a comment under the video and make it man know say a NEWLINK sending over there, people. You understand? And please subscribe to the artist thing, people, because you see artists like them here, me I tell you, and not normal people. Sikario, the man thing up, the man thing up, and the man say we outside in the people. I remember the artist also drop a big song the other day with Style people we say rag to the riches, la la la. So me can tell you this people, Sikario, the man thing up. You see before I go people, here we go on now. But just go left a piece off. You understand? A look of performance with the boss do, and you can check it out and watch a look of vibes of the artists I pull off for them crew, because I can tell you, Sikario, yeah man, you need to check him out people. You need to go over to the Vivo thing. Sikario, CH0SEN, gone.
Sikario, watch that YouTube. Bring him on. Sikario, make some noise for Sikario right now. Nice.
Outside.
Whoa.
You know it's Sikario. You know it's a big shout out to S3CRET, Jamaica. Big up the whole world. You playing a style. RIG 88.5 Platinum Sound Radio Station. Big up the whole hour. Big up my friend in Venetian Road. Run it somewhere. You know something and select so that one and still bring up yourself belly movement.
Hey!
Rock to the riches, la la la. Back it, la la la. Pass me the buckle of the bambara. The girl never call me the danada. Rock to the riches.
Me unsteady, me no shaky, me telling like a rainy, now they think me I'm a corner. Ah, this is the year enough.
Loud! Outside! Outside!